Hello and welcome to another Hot Wheels unboxing. And in today's video, I managed to find C-Case. But before we get to C-Case, I have two Hot Wheels from 2024 and one Majorette from 2025. So let's first get to those. Yeah, and the first car is a tractor. Let's open it. And here it is. It's pretty interesting. I don't know which tractor it's impersonating, but yeah, it's a very interesting one. Yeah, and the next car, which is another Fantasy from 2024, High Roller 2. Let's open it. And here it is. It's the last Zamak car I needed. The Rolling Metal series, this is the last car. I have all four previous ones. I think there was a Shelby Cobra in that set. There is a DeLorean, there's a Cybertruck, and I forgot which one was the drag car. I think it was a 49 Merc, like a drag car, but this is a fifth car. Yeah, and now let's get to the Matchbox. A proper 2025 Matchbox. I got one, but now I've got a second one. A 2021 Lexus LC 500. Let's open it. And here it is. Matchbox still didn't change the packaging. It's so hard to open a Matchbox. Like a Hot Wheels, it can take me between like 3 to 10 seconds. With the Matchbox, it's like 5 seconds, like 10 seconds at least. Yeah. And now, let's get to the C-Case. And the first car, which I have zero in my collection, 1970 Dodge Power Wagon. Let's open it. And here it is. Yeah. Now I went to two stores. The first store I picked up four Hot Wheels and one Matchbox. And the second store is the two peg warmer. Yeah, I decided to pick up this because I wanted to see, one, how good is the tractor, and two, to complete the 2024 Zamak, which there was 6 of actually. Like, the Zamak that got released to everyone. There was the Porsche keychain, and there was the Aston Martin, there is and the other 5 that were in the Rolling Metal series. Yeah, so that's actually 7. Yeah, really interesting. And the next car, which I'm so hyped to add to my collection, Oracle Red Bull Racing. I actually managed to get the Red Bull F1 car. Let's open it. And here it is. This is 100% better than the Formula E car that was released last year. That was kind of like a teaser for this. It looks very good. A lot of collectors, even F1 lovers, are gonna want to get this. I actually only saw one. Each one of these, there was only one of in this one dumping that I found them in. Yeah, and the next car, new for 2025, Cupra E-Racer. Let's open it. And here it is. Now, it's an interesting Cupra. It's actually a rebadge Seat. So Seat is a Spanish manufacturer. They used to sell cars under the name of Seat, but they've branched out and started using Cupra, and the Cupras have been selling way more than their Seats. So they're sticking to the Cupra name. And the last car, I have one of these, but mine isn't in great condition since mine is from 2013, I believe. But I'll show it anyways. But it's a Porsche 911 GT3. Let's open it. And here it is. Now I went to grab the Porsche, but that was a 911 GT3 RS. That was the RS version. This is the GT3, the regular edition of GT3. Yeah, and that's it. 5 cool cars, like actual real cars, and 2 fantasy cars, which are still an interesting find. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time, hopefully with more CKs, and even a treasure hunt, because I would love to have them mailed it. Bye bye!